Guys, it's the end of Demon and I am back. I was recently on a vacation, so I could not make videos, and I've been wanting to make this video for a long time. So, Undertale. I have not played in like forever, but we are continuing. Let's see. Oh my god, this is nostalgia for me. Oh my god, I'm so not used to these controls. Ah. Oh my god, this is so weird. Okay. So, if I'm correct, last episode we beat Papyrus. Let's just make sure of that. Yep. So now we're going on to the next area. Hey, it stands again. I forgot about this room. It's an echo flower. It repeats the last minute hard over and over and over again. And then, see, and this guy. Yo, are you sitting down to see her too? Awesome, she's the coolest, right? I want to be just like her when I grow up. Hey, don't tell my parents I'm here. We don't know who he's talking about. So, let's save in Waterfall. And here stands. What, haven't you seen a guy with two jobs before? Fortunately, two jobs means twice as many legally required breaks. I'm going to drill bees. Wanna come? Yes. So, boom. Now we're going to drill bees. Over here. I know a shortcut. Wow. Magical. Huh. Hey everyone. Hey Sans. Hi Sans. Greeting to Sans. Hiya Sansy. Hey Sans, weren't you just here for breakfast a few minutes ago? Nah, I haven't had breakfast in at least half an hour. You must be thinking of brunch. I don't get it. Here, get some for you. Whoops. Watch where you sit down. Sometimes we ought to put whoopee cushions on the seat. Let's order. So, fries or butter? Let's see. Let's see. Right now, I'd really be in the mood for a butter, so tell me what you would put down in the description. Hey, that sounds pretty good. Joey, we'll have a double order of bard. Okay, bard. So, what do you think of my brother? Oh my god, so uncool. Hey, pal. Sarcasm isn't funny. My brother's a real star. He's the person who pushed me to get this entry job. Maybe it's a little strange, but sometimes it's nice to have someone tell you out on being lazy. Even though nothing could be farther from the truth. Sans is basically saying that he's lazy, but it's not true. Yes, I would like some ketchup. Bon appetit. And, forget about it, you never mind. So, yay. Well, anyway, Troll and I, you absolutely agree, Papyrus tries real hard. Like how he keeps trying to be part of the royal guard. One day he went to the house of the head of the royal guard and begged her to let him be in it. Oh, of course, she shut the door on him because it was midnight. And the next day, she woke him and saw him still waiting there. Seeing his dedication, she decided to give him some royal training. It's still a work in progress. Music stops. Okay, I want to ask you something. Spotlight. Have you ever heard of a talking flower? Yeah. So now you know all about it. The echo flower. All over the marsh. Say something to them, they'll repeat it over and over. What about it? Old Papyrus told me something interesting the other day. Sometimes when no one else is around, a flower appears and whispers things to him. Flattery, advice, encouragement, with addictions. Weird, huh? Somebody must be using an echo flower to play a trick on him. Keep an eye out, okay? Thanks. It's actually not an echo flower. There's so many theories about it. I'm pretty sure that flower is actually Flowey the flower from episode 1, if you remember. The flower that tries to kill you pops up. He talks, blah blah blah. And there are so many theories. I think that it was transformed. Well, that was a long break. I can't believe you let me pull. I can't believe I let you pull me away from work for that long. Oh, by the way, I'm Flapboat. Can you foot the bill? 10,000 G? No way! Listen, will be put on my tab. By the way, I was going to say something, but I forgot. And boom, now we're here. So that's just way backwards. Yay. Let's get back to where we were. Start from the inside. Silence. Silence is the best music. And silence is over. Now we listen to the peaceful sound of water rushing. And we will get determination. And here's Sam. And if we talk to him, sing out again sometime. Oh, we will. This is a box. Put an item in, or take an item out. You can't use items in the box. Sincerely, a box data. Why? I have some pretty good stuff in here. Put the butterscotch pie in. And that's it. So now, here's an area where we can do something. There's an extra flower. I swear I saw something behind that fish in water. So that's actually a hint. Because there is something behind the water. As you will see in a brief moment. So it's like a puzzle. Don't hit those lines. No rocks will fall down here. Oh, tutu. I will take it. And items. I will tutu use. These do nothing. They make a cute sound. So yeah. Then you can get through and on to the next room. Ooh, this is interesting. It's Papyrus. Hi, Undyne. I'm here with my daily report. We're on that human I told you about earlier. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What? Did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard on that, but in the end, I failed. What? You don't take the human soul yourself? But then you don't have to train. You see. I understand. I'll help you in any way I can. So now Papyrus is going to kill us. Or rat us out. And now Undyne notices us. So basically in this episode, we're going to get. So in the future you're going to fight her, of course. We're going to get all the way up to the fight with her. And that'll be all for this episode. This will be Waterfall, Part 1. Oh, she just disappears. Spooky. Hey, it's that kid. It's the kid. Yo, did you see the way he was staring at you? That was awesome! I'm so jealous. What you just did attention, huh? Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. The way that I got her attention was, well, it was from being a human. Oh, forgot to save. So boom. That's my phone. 1 second. Let me just go hang it up. Okay, I'm very sorry about that. I am back. So now this is a puzzle. If you read the sign, when four birds sees a line in the water, they will spout. So, boom. Just have to put them in. No, and that's it. And they have to be like this. They can also be up. They cannot be diagonal. Or tiny shapes. Oh, and flex is in. Act and flex. Flexing contest. Okay, flex more. You creep. Act. Flex. Flex, flex, flex. Flex. He flexes so hard that he flexes himself out of the room. But we still see his tail. We still see it. Now I've lost some health. And now this is a puzzly puzzle. There are two different ways to do it. You can do it like this. So you can either align them like this, and then have them go out, and we can use this to call them back. Or if you want to do it the very hard way, which is how I learned how to do it, you go here, third block, put them down. It's much harder and much more annoying because there's so much more walking. But hey, if you want to do it like this, then you can. Oh, and this is a sign that says, "Congratulations, you just filled the puzzle." And down there is it's a quiche. It heals a bunch of HP. I'm not gonna go get it this episode because it's really kind of useless. Oh no, it's not useless. Oh, dang. Hello, this is Papyrus. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number sequentially until I got yours. Yeah. Oh, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. See, thought she saw you wearing a dusty tutu. Is that true? Are you wearing a dusty tutu? Yes, I am. You all wearing a dusty tutu. Got it. Wink, wink. Have a nice day. Click. Okay, this is just a story. It's not really the most important, but oh, you can probably just look it up on. Oh, it's Joshua. Joshua joke about some kid who slept in the cell. No, that joke's too Dottie. But don't. Oh god, oh god. Flee, please flee. No, I don't want to kill today. Oh, a telescope bay. Check wall. So I need to check the wall up here. Nani? Magical lift. Is this moving or is the platform changing? Now we're here. Nani? It's Undyne! It's not the fight with her yet, though. But we. Oh no! This is definitely pretty hard as we are constantly being aimed at by super precise laser spears. Steep, steep. Escaped. Oh no. Oh no, GZR. I'm dead. Oh no. Nani? It wasn't me. The monster kids they are. It's him. Yo, did you see that? And then just touched me. Ah! I'm never washing my face ever again. Man, how you unlucky. If you stand just a little bit to the left. Yeah, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. You don't understand, kid. You don't understand. This cheese has been here so long, a magical crystal has drawn around it. It's stuck to the table. No one, the mouse might want to extract the cheese from the mythical crystal. No, it'll never extract the cheese. And his actual flower says squeak. Squeak. Yeah, the telescope from Sans. It's an odd-looking telescope. Then about to get into the telescope business. It's only 50,000 G to use this premium telescope, but since I know you can use it for me, how's about it? Telescope, yes. Okie dokie. Yay. Huh, you aren't satisfied? Don't worry. I'll give you a full refund. Sans! You jerk. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it? Are you a star? Aw, that kid. That's like a highlight of the game for me. So let's explore this room. Nice dream. Fortunately, I've thought of a solution. Punch cards. Yes, I would like some nice dream. And the punch cards are actually useful. They that your like punch attack up in battle, which is kind of useful for the Asdor fight. And now we must go through here. Nope. Now I have nice dream and punch card. So wait a second. Item. Wait. So let me check. Defense 10. Now I need to check what the ribbon is. 3. Come here. Oh. Hello! This is Papyrus. Remember when I asked you about clothes? If anyone wants to know her opinion of you today, moderate. But I bet you knew that already. And because you knew that, I told her what you were. But you told me you were wearing a dusty tutu, because I know, of course, after such a suspicious question, obviously change your clothes. You're such a smart cookie. That's why you're safe and I didn't lie. No betrayal anywhere. Friends with everyone is easy. Oh my god. Papyrus, he's so oblivious to the truth. Encounter. Small, spare them, because I don't want to deal with its bullcrap. Ooh, very scary. Not really. What is this? Is it going to kill me? Very steady. Hi. Oh, you'll bore me to death. Let's just skip everything. I don't care, Onion San. I don't care. Hey, I don't care about your sub story. And good for you, live in the ocean. Waterfall. Oh, this is such a good one. Conduct. Hum, hum. This is such a great battle. Hum. Sounds good. Stands is talented. Gets more and more. Child tosses clothing. Constant attention towards the group is all aggressive shooting. This is the hardest one to dodge. You come home, but you have to go. I'm gonna film also on final two. No, never mind. This is the hardest attack. Oh, no damage! Get shreked! Yeah, but yeah, I won. Oh my god, I love this doing this. Oops. I actually know how to play this one on actual piano. It's, I want to play a bit more. And yeah, that's all that you can really play of that song. And that's actually a legit song in the game. Take it. I'm carrying too many dogs. 9 dog drop. No! Dog! No! It's not safe! That's not safe! Okay, well that dog's dead. Everybody comment down below, rest in peace, white dog. Your life was useless. I'm just gonna skip this all. I remember this. Yo, you can't hold an umbrella either? If you want, anyway, guess I'll do it with you. Haha. Still, let's both do the childish dance, which is this. You basically go up into a wall, holding up and then press down, and then it glitches out, and it's hilarious. We're children, we're dancing. Child. And then so we'll be the bad guys and never lose. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night. No, she was gonna beat me up. Heh. Howl, joke's on you, kid. I, Frist of Undertale, already do wet the bed. The inexistent bed. One time we had a sword fight, we had to take care of a flower. The team we had to tell Mr. Dream and volunteer to donate his own flowers. He ended up in the tool teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to the school? She'd beat up all the teachers. He doesn't actually talk that fast, I just want to make it seem like he does because he said, maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cruel to ever hurt an innocent person. And here's cruel because if you hold up and down, you speed walk. This is normal walking. This is up and down walking. Normal, up and down, normal, up and down. It makes this section much easier. So no need for an umbrella. Yeah, this ledge is way too steep. Hmm. Yo, you wanna see Enden? Like, climb on my shoulders. Oof. Yeah, you do on ahead. Don't worry about me. I always find ways to get through. So, now we're going to see Undyne. Yay. Sound of the muffles going on the cave top. It fills me with determination. Let's get it. What is these? No. Oh no, run. So, this is just really easy. Just don't step on the blue stuff. And then you're good. And the spears, they only go when the space is on, not above. So, it's very easy. There's only one way out. And that's this way. Oh no! I got hit. I am hit! This is not good. You go up. Oh no! Oh, no hits! Wait, how do you get this? No! I'm dying. I'm a dying child, I'm a dying child, Undyne. Stop torturing a dying child. You, no, this is not good. Oh, I'm almost there. This is so not good. I'm so close to death. No! No! Oh, I have to. Oh, I'm gonna have to do that all over again. Oh my god, I haven't heard this music in so long. Did the time end? Hey, we're back to y'all. Alright, let's do this again. Right? Yeah, 20 out of 20. Oh no. Death. Death. Death times 100. So this starts off really easy. And they're so scared that you thought there's only one path and then it splits off. No. No. Oh, it deals 4 damage sustained. This is not good. So I can only take 5 hits. No. That's 2. I can only take 5. No. Don't you dare corner me. Sneaky little. You sneaky little fish. No, I forgot the way. I do not know the way. Here it is. No. This is so not good. Aha! What's the way? I do not know the way to safety. Or death. Whatever it is. Well, whatever's gonna happen. I forget. I haven't played this in so long. Okay, it looks like we cannot beat this right now. So, I will say the comment. Okay. I said that we were going to fight Undyne. We were going to stop by fighting Undyne next episode. Well, no, we're going to do this next episode. So I'm going to end the video here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.